Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Analytics tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to track AI traffic coming to our website in Google Analytics. You want to check if you are getting any traffic from ChatGPT, from Perplexity, from any other AI tools. Where can you see that in Google Analytics? Before I go straight to the point, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much because it helps tremendously to create new content. And let's go straight to the point. Log into your Google Analytics. Navigate under Reports on the left hand side, Acquisition, Traffic Acquisition. So navigate to Traffic Acquisition Report. Scroll down and change the dimension here through the drop down menu from Session Default Channel Group to Session Source / Medium. And here all you have to do is to use the search bar, and let's give a couple of examples. So let's search only for sources that include .ai and press enter. And now here we can see a couple of AI tools that are sending traffic to my site. Perplexity, Fellow, Dev.ai, and so forth. What about ChatGPT? All you have to do, you come here, you say ChatGPT in the search bar, you press enter. That's traffic coming from ChatGPT. You can see a sizable amount of traffic coming from ChatGPT. So all you have to do very quickly, very easy, you go to Google Analytics Traffic Acquisition Report, you change the dimension to Session Source / Medium or Session Source, that's exactly the same, and then you use the search bar, and then you can look for traffic coming from ChatGPT, you can look for traffic coming from Perplexity. That's the easiest way to understand how much traffic is coming from well-known AI tools. Now, is there a way that you can group this traffic and you can actually have this traffic under Session Default Channel Group here as maybe a segment that is called AI, a default channel group that is called AI? There is a way to do that. It's slightly more advanced and more complicated, and therefore we're going to have a different video on this one. But for now, the easiest way, again, you come here, you simply change the dimension to source, medium, or source. You look for whatever tool you want, or for AI extensions, and that's how you can understand if you're getting traffic from AI tools. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope it was useful. Have a great day in any time zone, and see you in the next one.